Hello everyone, I'm Miss Fawn. I'm going to tell you the solution of session quiz 10.2. First of all, we need to know in what is going to be tested in this session quiz. First of all, you need to know quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4, and in each of quadrant, what are the sign of the x and y. You can see in quadrant 1, they should be x coordinate of xy is positive and positive, and then quadrant 2, negative and positive, quadrant 3, negative, negative, and then quadrant 4, positive, negative. Why we have to need this? Because we are all going to calculate x, y, r, calculate sine, cosine, theta with x, y, r. And because of the positive or negative of x and y, that will give you different signs of the sine, cosine, and tangent. So first of all, we need to know that for the theta, we have the point called alternate xy. You can see P, this is O, and the length is R. Length is always positive, and xy can be, these two can be positive or negative, x and y. So we have to also remember what is the sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta. Let's get started with sine theta equal to y over r, cosine theta equal to x over r, and then tangent theta equal to y over x. So that's why you will have different sign of sine, cosine, and tangent. Because of the all combination are different, and we want to make it simple to remember, so we have CAST for us to remember in which quadrant sine, cosine, and tangent which come positive or negative. If you know about this session talking about, let's get started with the question in the quiz. Okay, question 1. You have point A, negative 6 and 3. You have to find out sine theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta. As we have xy coordinates, so we need the value of r. So r square equal to negative 6 square plus 3 square. So r square equal to 45. R equal to square root 45 or negative 45. As we know, all r are positive, so we get the negative square root 45. Then we are going to write down the value of sine theta. This is y over r, so it's 3 over square root 45. B, cosine theta, x over r, so this is negative 6 over 45. And then last one, tangent theta, y over x. This is 3 over negative 6, so which is negative 1 over 2. So each worth 1 mark. Okay, let's look at question 2. Question 2, you have sine theta equal to negative 2 over 9 and cosine theta less than 0. So you can see sine theta actually is equal to y over r, and we know r is always positive, so that must be the negative 2 for y, and then r is 9. And also cosine, so let's think if y, but we still don't know which quadrant the theta line into, so we have to figure it out. So start with sine theta is less than 0, so theta may lie in quadrant 3 or 4. And cosine theta is also less than 0. Theta may lying in quadrant 2 or 3. So because of the reason above, we can decide that theta must lie in quadrant 3. That means both x and y are negative. Okay, you can write here negative, negative. Okay, so we have y and r, so we have to find out x. 9 square equal to x square plus negative 2 square. So x equal to 77. X equal to square root 77 or negative square root 77. As we know, x is a negative number, so we get the positive. Then now we can write, as we have all x, y, and r, we can write down the answer of cosine theta and tangent theta. Cosine theta, x over r, square root 77 over 9. Tangent theta, y over x, negative 2 over negative square root 77, which is 2 over 7 square root 77. So 1 mark for each answer and another mark for you to find out this is in quadrant 3. Okay, last question. This question I think you may have to pay more attention to because more of you only get part of correct answer. Okay, you can see tangent theta is a positive number because tangent theta is a positive number greater than 0. So theta may lie in quadrant 1 or quadrant 3. But as we don't know, quadrant 1 positive, positive, and quadrant 3 negative, negative for xy. As we don't know, we don't have extra information. We cannot know is it in quadrant 1 or quadrant 3. Therefore, we have to answer both cases. So first of all, case 1. Theta in quadrant 1. Okay, if theta is in quadrant 1, that means all the things are positive and x is positive, y is positive. We only have to find out r. So r square equal to square root 5 square plus 2 square, which equal to 9. So r equal to 3 over negative 3. As we know, r's always positive, so r, we get the negative number. So in this case, sine theta minus cosine theta equal to y over r. For sine theta, y is 2 over 3 minus square root 5 over 3. So you can combine them together. Okay, this is the first part answer. Case 2. Theta in quadrant 3. That means x and y are both negative. R square equal to negative square root 5 square plus negative 2 square. R square equal to 9. R equal to 3 or negative 3. As R is only positive number, just reject the negative value. Okay, so sine theta minus cosine theta will become negative 2 over 3 minus negative square root 5 over 3. So this will become negative 2 plus square root 5 over 3. So this is the full answer of question 3. Many of you only get one correct because of you don't figure it out for quadrant 1 of 3. This is 1 mark. So R, if you have 3, 1 mark, 1 answer for case 1 and 1 mark for case 2. So this is question 3. Thank you for your